Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do another transition, very similar to the last one I did. You can see it on the screen right now. You have to use a cross dissolve to make a transition. You see it won't stick on because I have video here. If it was a still, it wouldn't matter, it would stick right to it. You have these handles. You have to pull the media back. If you're at the end or the beginning of a video, you have to have some kind of information there for the any transition to stick. And now it'll go on there. Right click on it, convert to Fusion Cross Dissolve. Then you have this little wand up here. Click on it and it'll take you to Fusion. You can delete the cross dissolve. Bring the media in 2, down below the media in 1, so we don't get them mixed up. And cut the line. Get an image plane. Get another one. Merge them together. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there on the screen. Put the merge selected. Shift space and Bender. I already have it typed in. And a 3D merge. A spotlight. And a 3D render. Plug it into the media out and you should see it in viewer 2. For now, put the Bender in viewer 1 and select the merge. Go to the transform. On translation, Z-axis, put 1.325. And it should fit correctly in your screen now. We'll show the back of it, viewer 1. Go to image plane 1. Go to visibility. And select back. Now the back should be white. Go to the image plane 2. Visibility. And front. Now you should have your video in viewer 2. While we have the image plane selected, go to materials and pick a default color. You will have these options again in the macro. I'm going to go with the light gray. Now go to the Bender. Under Amount, put 5.0. Take the center all the way to the right. You'll see it rolling up and down the screen. Right click on Range, Modify Width, Anim Curves. And you'll see when I scrub the playhead in viewer 1, it's like folding up. It's not rolling up yet. So go back to either one of the image planes. Go to Controls and take the subdivisions all the way up. Then go to the other one. Subdivisions all the way up. And you'll see now it's rolling up. Select the render node. Change render type from software to hardware. Enable lighting. And you'll see we have no light now. Put the merge in viewer 1. And you should have that. Select the spotlight. Open the cone angle all the way. Then go to transform. As we bring it back, you'll start to see it in viewer 2. Set the Z at 3.0. Then go to the image plane 2. Go to materials and select two-sided. That way it'll show the back. Light will be on both sides. But we don't want the light on the front. While we're here, if you look close, there's a little shine on this fold here where it's rolling up. Go to specular. Turn the intensity all the way down. And the exponent all the way up. Now there's no more glare on this here. But we still have it on the screen. Go to the image plane 1. Go to lighting. And deselect affected by lights. Now you'll see it's not there. Now it's only lighting the backside, which is what this is here. Get a 2D merge. Bring your media out down. Connect the 3D render into the green input of the merge, and media in 2 into the yellow, and then connect it to the media out, and you should have it back in viewer 2. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Highlight these like I am. Start at the top left corner. Don't include media in 1 or media in 2 or media out. And then right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro, create macro, give it a name. Make sure you're on the image plane 2. Then go to the atom curve. That's our ease in and ease out. Go to file, save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead, templates, edit, transitions. Here is where you're going to make your folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same or Resolve won't recognize it. Hit save and we'll go look for it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. I'll show you an easy way to put them on. Just line your playhead up between the 2 clips. And double click on it, and it'll go right down here. Now if you click on it, you change your colors. Click on the curve and go to easing. You have all kinds of options there. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.